Yep, that's us. And you're probably wondering, why do we have a baby on Splash Mountain? For years, Splash Mountain has been known for its unique pictures guests have took in the park, like playing checkers, bringing a GameCube. Heck, even The Rock's sexy ass has made an appearance in a photo. Since Tiana's Bayou Adventure is replacing Splash Mountain, we decided to take the last funny photos at Splash Mountain in honor of the photos that came before, hoping we will belong with the rest of them.
With the first photo op, we wanted to bring swimming gear onto the ride. We didn't want to show up in full swimming gear, so we packed all of our items in a bag, hoping cast members wouldn't say anything. Once we took off on the ride, we quickly took off the inflatables and started blowing.
I got it. Already. How you doing, Chip? Let me see the arms. Let me see the arms.
Once we got our floats on, we needed to figure out how we were going to pose, so we started practicing before the big drop. Next thing we know, the big drop was next, and we prepared for the photo.
I got a cramp. All right, let's go see our reaction.
We walked to the photo center and noticed our photo wasn't showing up, and we were scared our photo wasn't going to come out.
Where is it?
Until
Oh my god.
Your face.
Look at this. Look at my shoes.
Stop.
I'm drenched.
for the next photo op, we decided to pay tribute to a particular album.
Next one is a tribute to an album we listen to. We are not sure why we listen to this album. I love it. But we know the words, and it's a tribute.
The wait time, however, was more than an hour, but we determined to get these photo ops. An hour passes by, and after being in front of the line, this happens.
We finally get to the front of the line, and it breaks down.
They started to walk everyone out of the line.
No, because I think they gotta get everybody out.
And our hopes for the photo ops were gone. But then they gave us free fast pass, and cast members were telling us that it would reopen soon. So we waited in line to be the first ones, and we would use our fast pass for our third photo op. So after they opened, we were back in the front in no time. When we took off on the ride, we needed to stick as many stickers as we can on our faces, since the water can easily wash the stickers away. We got to the big drop, hoping our stickers wouldn't fly away. Side note, sorry for the big watermark on the camera, this is the only angle we had. We got to the photo center looking for our photo. For our last photo op, we wanted to bring a... So since we still had our fast pass handy, we used it for our last photo so that we wouldn't have to wait in. Once our log took off, we quickly got the baby out.
What is this? Oh my god. Give me the baby. Oh shit. Oh god. Come on, baby. You're good in here. Okay. Let's go. I'm trying to get people to like react to the baby.
Wait, hold on. Say cheese.
Alright, here we go. Are you okay, baby? Oh, we didn't take it out!
And after that drop, we sought out after our last and final picture.
Oh my god. Get it.